So when I was learning to day trade, it cost me about $60,000 over 4 years, and I made every mistake imaginable. We're talking averaging down where I'd be in a losing trade and I just keep adding to that losing position, over trading, having like a goal of amount of trades I wanted to take that day and then trading, 2-3 times that amount of trades. My impulse control was horrific, meaning I would, know the strategy I was looking for, but then just trade a bunch of other setups that really didn't make any sense. Golly, you name it. Over position sizing just right off the bat, saying, hey, I'm only going to enter with $500 on this trade. Next thing I know, I'm entering with $3,000 on the trade. I'd wake up being groggy and staying up too late the night before, and then, still trading, even though I knew it probably wasn't in the right headspace. I mean, literally, you name it. I made every mistake in the book, and it was hard. And again, it cost me $60,000 over 4 years. So what changed, and when I kind of turned the corner, is when I started taking this skill set very serious, like a professional would, and increasing my discipline, right? I came to realize that the only way to actually make long-term success or gains as a day trader would be from me implementing discipline, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. And that means when you hit your stop loss, you exit for your stop loss. If you're in a winning trade and you're holding to your take profit level, you need to hold to your take profit level. And that small change in discipline, right, although in the beginning didn't make a big difference, had a compounding effect, right? And so each day I'd be a little more disciplined, have a little bit more confidence in the setups I would take, and that snowballed and rolled into exactly where I am today. The funniest part about all this is I had no desire or intention to teach people this skill set, right? I had no noble purpose. I had no, I want to make money teaching. Truly, I wanted to just day trade, and that was what I was going to do. I had friends who obviously, when I started making money in the stock market consistently, who wanted to learn, hey, what are you doing? How are you making money doing this? And so I would literally screen record videos of myself teaching this skill and have my buddies Venmo me or these videos. And then that kind of just snowballed into what it is today. Their friends, family, next thing you know, a couple thousand members, 16 masterminds later, automated trading, follow trades, and so much more. It's created a life and a community that I never really thought possible, and a fulfillment on my end of helping so many people change their lives with this incredible skill set. It's honestly been incredible. It's been remarkable. So with all that being said, my joy comes now from helping people who are also trying to learn this skill set, learning in a way that they can avoid a lot of the same mistakes that I made as I went through my trading journey. And the truth is, you don't have to make those same mistakes, right? We have laid things out in a way to put you right where I was after those 4 years and $60,000 lost. So you can just learn it the right way, not have the bad habits, and develop the skill set, again, in a community of traders who are there to help you succeed. So again, really excited to work with you. We have so many different ways and offerings to get involved. Look forward to seeing you soon, and let's trade smart together.